Today I want to talk about my recovery because I never thought I'd get to this point. If you don't know me, my name's Becky. I'm a recovering alcoholic and substance abuser. Sorry, I'm eating like an oat flapjack right now. I just want to talk about some volunteering that I've started, and also I have a new Jellycat to show you. Today I did my first voluntary shift at SmartWorks Newcastle. Honestly, I never wanted it to end. My face hurts from smiling. It was so good to finally get in and doing some volunteering and like giving back to people. SmartWorks is a charity that helps women into employment. So if they've been out of work for a long time due to like various barriers that they might have, yeah, it just helps prepare them for interviews. What I was doing is a stylist role, helping build outfits and interview clothes for the clients that came in, and honestly, I absolutely loved it so much. It was so good to see the smile on their faces when they looked at themselves in the mirror. It was kind of like how they looked at themselves and they've never seen themselves that way before. And honestly, my heart is full. My heart is full. Like a year and a half ago, if you'd said to me, like, oh, you'll be doing something like this, I would have been drunk and like laughed in your face. Like, I never thought I'd get to this point. If you are in recovery and you are doubting yourself and your abilities, just know that you can do this. Like, I've got every bit of faith in you. If I can do it, you can do it. Seriously. It gets to the point where you're wanting to give back, and when you finally do, it's like your heart could burst with how amazing it feels to actually give back to the community. So yeah, I'm really happy right now. In April, I'm actually starting with Gateshead Recovery Partnership, who helped me through my recovery. I'll be volunteering during the week to do some of the group sessions with the people who use the service, people in recovery just like me who are going through it. But as someone who's literally like walked in their shoes, like through the service, been to the groups, everything like that, I can't wait to be able to share my kind of lived experience with them. So that starts in April. I'm super excited. Yes, I know I'm going to be doing a lot alongside my normal paid job. But yeah, like the feeling I've got today is a feeling better than any fucking drug that I ever took. I'm literally on cloud nine. Before, all I could feel was like, I'm never ever gonna find anything in life that's gonna make us as happy as substances. But I feel like now I'm getting to a point in my life where I'm finding the joy in things again. So if you ever feel like you'll never ever find happiness outside of like drugs, alcohol, any sort of addiction, it's possible. I thought it was impossible, but it's actually possible. Like, I can't believe it. But yeah, Jellycat time. Let's get on to a light-hearted thing. I was gifted this to celebrate my first day as a volunteer. This is one that I've wanted for a long time. It is the egg on toast. Look at that little face and his little fluffy little feet. This one is so adorable. Got this one from Waterstones. I didn't think they sold Jellycats, but after going to Phoenix every single day and not seeing any like new ones in, I was kind of like, yeah, I need to look further afield for more Jellycats that I really want. This egg on toast celebrates my first day of giving back to the community. Here's to many more days. I'm super excited for just more volunteer days. I didn't want to leave. And because it's a fashion service, they had a fashion sale for the volunteers. So I got myself a pair of jeans and I got a lovely velvet jacket, which I'll show you in my next haul video. The jeans, I got them both for £5 each. I looked up the jeans and they were originally £99. I was like, holy sugar. But yeah, can't wait to do more. I'm so excited and I'm feeling good and whole. Like a part of me's been missing. I'm feeling like a void has been filled. Don't doubt yourself, guys. You can do it. And don't forget, my inbox is always open if you need to talk to me. Wave with our feet. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.